If you thought AI was moving fast yesterday, today just broke the scale. SpaceX just dropped $60 billion on a code editor. Agents are literally running enterprise systems by themselves. And if you are a designer, your job description just completely changed. I have got the 20 massive updates you missed in the last 24 hours. Let's get into it and welcome to AI Headlines today. Starting off with enterprise, because passive chatbots are officially dead. Deloitte just partnered with Google Cloud to launch a massive new AI studio in London. The whole focus? Agentic AI. Systems that don't just talk, they take actions. Story number 2 proves this is already happening. Sabre Corporation just deployed an AI native integration with Linux Travels. Their new workflows are autonomously managing complex data heavy ticket issue without human help. In retail, THG Ingenuity and Google Cloud rolled out a conversational shopping assistant, and the results are insane, driving an 8 times higher conversion rate for brands like MyProtein. But it's not all perfect. IBM, on the other hand, just dropped a global study warning that 91% of enterprises have no idea what their AI dependencies actually are, setting them up for massive business disruptions. Cornell University, on the other hand, also chimed in today, concluding that while AI is rapidly redefining financial risk, long term success absolutely still requires strict human governance. Over at Intel, they just released their 2026 Corporate Responsibility Report, and they are literally shifting their global manufacturing practices just to keep up with the insane AI demand. And wrapping up for enterprise, Greenhouse HR is rolling out a new suite of AI features, including an analytics chart agent to cut down manual recruiting without turning hiring into a totally unaccountable black box. Now let's talk money because the developer world just had an earthquake. Story number 8 is SpaceX signed an agreement to buy Anysphere, the creator of the AI code editor Cursor, for $60 billion in an all-stack deal. This is the biggest developer tool acquisition in history, and everyone is wondering how this impacts models routing for Cloud and GPT. Meanwhile, global leaders are making moves. The G7 AI summit just wrapped up in France. Sam Altman, Dario Amodio, and Demis Hassabis sat down with world leaders and locked in a new package of voluntary frontier safety commitments. At the same summit, Japanese Prime Minister Sanae Takaichi pushed hard for building physical AI ecosystems and announced Japan will host its own dedicated global AI summit soon. But developers are currently sweating over Story 11, which is the highly anticipated Fable 5 API has been offline for 5 straight days due to sudden export control directives. Fallback models are working overnight right now. Culturally, Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang made headlines today saying society has to actively embrace new social norms if we are going to survive this rapid acceleration of AI driven economic growth. And the UK government is funding the grassroots, dropping £500,000 in computing power for young innovators and launching a new open source AI dev board. If you are a designer, listen up because the AI in Design 2026 report just dropped and the stats are wild. Weekly AI usage for design tasks just skyrocketed from 54% last year to 91% today. But here is the crazy part. Designers are becoming builders. 65% of the designers say they now take on engineering tasks and actually ship AI generated code. Meanwhile, 40% of engineers are now doing design work. The traditional silos are totally gone. McKinsey backed this up with a new case study showing that just adding AI to old workflows only gives you a tiny 1.2 times productivity boost. But if you are completely redesigning your workflow to be AI native, you more than double your output velocity. And we are seeing this live with Canva AI 2.0. Following Canva Create, the design world is eating up their new memory feature, advanced brand components, and crazy new AI driven email design tools. Finally, let's rapid fire the newest developer tech. Microsoft just put its Work IQ API to general availability. This is a massive structural shift from static apps to active agents that execute tasks on your behalf. Adobe Firefly 2, on the other hand, and Figma AI Assist are officially the new standard. Firefly 2 is the pushing advanced generative features directly into Photoshop and Illustrator as well, while Figma is now auto identifying UI inconsistencies and writing placeholder copy. And rounding out the top 20, utility apps are blowing up. Uizard is thriving by turning your hand drawn sketches into a functional digital prototypes, while Chroma uses AI to instantly generate perfect balanced color palette for your stack. That is your top 20 rundown on everything shifting the tech landscape today. The tools are smarter, the workflows are native, and the silos are dead. Smash that subscribe button so you don't fall behind. And I'll see you tomorrow on AI Headlines Today. Thank you for watching.